Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm meeting you after one long year. Last time we met was on 2017 and this is 2018, so 1 year.
No!
Well, I wish you all a very happy new year. Just comment down below what you have decided resolutions for this year. I hope that you smile throughout the year. I know there would be odds, but just keep smiling. As I always tell you, that smiling may not just remove all your problems of your life, which is definitely not possible, but it definitely will help you reduce. If I talk about my new year resolution, this is, showering my loved one with gifts. I have realized, in these years that your words and emotions may affect someone, but then there's nothing more than doing actions. Like I really like this, when I go out on some different city and bring something for my loved one that's this precious smile. I know that when I'm not here, when I'm outside and I tell them that I miss them, they feel it, but then a small gift, no matter what it is, it brings smiles. This resolution is showering all my loved one with gifts. There, only the physical gifts is not what my resolution includes, but waking up in the morning when it's 9 degrees in Kolkata and you be the first one to prepare tea for your loved one off your bed is also a kind of present, mind you. My second resolution is only for myself. I have thought that I would give myself more time. Talk about myself around 3 or 4 years back. I used to do everything that I like. I am a sort of person who don't really care what others think of me. I used to be rather. But then with time, with maturity, with professionalism, or with time, I have changed and I've started doing things which do not may please me, but please others. So, and I have found out that, no matter how much I try and strive to make others happy, these actions are not making them happy, rather growing more expectation in others. So I have just decided that I would focus more on myself and do things that make me happy rather than making others happy. I just go for more trips, which I have reduced due to professionalism and personal commitments in this last 2-3 years. I would spend more times in salons. I would invest more on cosmetics. I would do more videos because this is all that pleases me. This is 2018 and as I've mentioned that my resolution being keeping myself happy, doing things for me, pamper myself. Hence, I have not taken time to gift myself and I have gifted myself with this wonderful box. Trust me, I watch this GloBox video every month and they have just blown me. I follow them on Instagram and the reviews that I get is really good. I wanted to subscribe something and get a few things, and this time I go really selfish and I could not just stop my urge to buy it because this month it was build your own box and they were giving one eyeshadow palette. So GloBox, guys, with all its glory will reach you in a parcel like this. And just for your information, the delivery is mind-blowing. I have ordered this on 5th Wednesday and I got the box on 7th. Can you just imagine it? To be very honest, I have opened this because it was the first present to myself this year and I could not wait. The delivery is very secure and it would come, the box would come in a bubble wrap like this. Do you see that pretty pink baby inside? All smiling and asking you to just grab it. As you open this, you'll find this beautiful box. Guys, I do not care about products, but the box that GloBox has given me, and that too worth $9.99, it's heavenly. I mean, there would be no complaints. You can be rest assured that your products are not going to get broken no matter which parcel first delivers it. It's very sturdy. The look of the box is wonderful. It says GloBox inside and it says the website name too, globox.in, white and black matte finish. This is the box and there's a magnet holder in the here and it opens like this. for you. It contains 4 pieces of paper. And first being the GloBox sticker. It is the personal note by Jyoti Rani, the founder. Third is the reference sheet, and I'll leave a link below. Fourth being the list of the actual prices of the products that I've got and how much I've saved. So if you see the saving part, I mean, you just be blow off. Your day, your month, your week, your year would be neat. Look into the products for all I've got. First is the main and the only reason for which the GloBox is with Sayanti today. The eyeshadow palette that I have ordered is Eat, Sleep, Makeup, Repeat. This is the box look like. The packaging is this typical makeup revolution. See this, guys? There's so many other options. I wanted to get that LA Girl smoky eyeshadow palette, but then that was out of stock. Freedom palette, and this is Chasing Rainbows. Even this was an option in case that you're interested to go for this, you may, if you have this. But this has different more colors. And I have ordered this My Glam 2 of Your Kind nail polish. This is a sample pack. I have ordered them in orange and pink. There was another shade for, you know, something turquoise and white, but then since I have this color almost similar to what I'm wearing now, so I ordered this. I have genuinely not tried this yet, but then not sure, hence I cannot tell how this would work. The product that I've ordered is this makeup remover, and this is Amira Natural Sparkle Shine Naturally. This is a makeup remover basically, but then guys, I have just used it once, and I would not tell you this is the best product because this does not really actually does the job of makeup removal. Yet, you know, I've just used it once and it would not be fair for my end to give a full review of it. Well, what happens usually for any micellar water or, you know, any makeup remover, how we use it is just take a cotton ball, sprinkle the water in there and then try to remove it. But then since this has glycerine, this aloe vera and rose water, I think the formulation somewhere did not work actually the way they expected it to, and hence it just make your cotton ball cloggy, and then it does not really fudge from your cotton ball to your skin, making it remove the makeup. I hope you understand my point. Yet there can be another instances that it actually on a whole says that the way that we use makeup remover is not same as theirs, but then there is no guide at the back to say how you should actually use the product. So a bit skeptical about it. Third and fourth product is this lipstick from Makeup Academy, and I have ordered the shade Coral Crush. Actually is very similar to this Miss NYX lipstick, but then thankfully I'm in from a different color. This is in the shade Chaos. The next one is Total Red, and this one has this orange undertone because definitely it's a coral color. The fourth color being is this Special Lip color, and I have ordered this shade Playful. This is quite a nude color with a red undertone, which I have used once and it suit quite good on my skin tone. The last product is a complimentary, and this is Anatomical's body lotion, coconut plus mango body lotion. This is in the trouble size package and I have not used it yet. All for today's video, guys. I'm sure that you like this video. That's the reason you are till the end. In case you did, please like this video and give your comments down section. Also, don't forget to tell what your New Year resolution is and how you like the product. See you all very soon on my next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Be yourself. Bye.